Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, September the 2nd. The time is 2:30 a.m. GMT. We're gonna be looking at the chart of the GDX gold miners, right? This is gold miners ETF. We ended this wave 2 at 2640. Now we are currently within this wave 3 in the intermediate degree, which is going to be ending soon. Right, we are now could be already in the wave 3, so needs a 4 and a 5 to finish 3 in blue. Then after that we will have a 4 and a 5. So if you look at it from the shorter cycle, then yes, it is possible that the ETF, the gold miners, can extend a little bit more than the downside. But let's zoom out and get an idea where we are in the larger time frame. Right, so this is the weekly. You can see right here we kind of bottom here in 2016. We got another low in the COVID-19. So far you can see it's a massive pullback. More or less is already at the 76.4% retracement from this initial rally from the COVID-19 low to the high. And then if you look at this pullback, right, so you notice here, depending on how you want, I think you can call it this way, right? It's already at the 100% extension here. So you see this is already at the very extreme area. So does it mean it cannot go down? Absolutely possible. We can even go down to retest this trend line, for example. But just to let you know, it depends on your time frame. Everything is all based on your time frame, right? Are you someone looking for the next 5 minutes move, or are you someone looking for the next few months, few years, right? If you are a long term, then obviously this is already at the inflection area where I think accumulating it makes more sense than trying to sell and trying to get whatever marginal low that you will have, right? Now of course, again, this is not picking the low, right? It's not possible to know the exact low, but we are already at the inflection area. And this is the area I'm looking at. One thing for sure, it's not going to go to zero, right? It won't go to zero. There will always be value. This is like stocks. So we are already at the inflection area where I think it really makes sense to accumulate if you are having a time span of more than 1 hour, right? And that's it. So that's basically where we are from the long term and the short term. Now talking about the short term, then yeah, we could see more downside, and a lot of people always is so focused on trying to pinpoint the exact low. But like I said, it's good luck if trying to pinpoint the exact low, right? So what we can say here is that let me remove everything. So this is your wave 2 in blue that we saw earlier, right? That's your wave 2 in blue. So what that means is then we could see a little, and then wave 3 should be ending soon. So from here we got 1, 2, and then now we are in the 3. So yes, we should be looking for a little bit more downside possible for sure, right? It's already at the 100%. We can see 3, 4, 5 continues to go down. Like I said, it can even retest this trend line, which is $19, which is another 10% off, more than 10%, actually 15% or so. But again, nobody knows the exact low, right? Nobody knows the exact low, the level, and this is already at the it basically could be ending anytime, and it can start turning higher anytime, any moment. But yes, shorter cycle, we are still looking and possibly still can extend lower a little bit more before we finish up this entire 3 swings pullback and then starts to turn higher. Okay, so exciting times here in my opinion. And if you want further updates on GDX or any other stocks ETF, Forex, Commodities, we got 14 days trial. We also have promotion from the Labor Day right now, so you can get 2-month subscription from the price of 1 for any plan that you choose. Okay, so I'm gonna put all the links in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.